Yo, hold up. I just found a tool that basically feels like having a second brain plugged into your laptop. I'm not kidding. This thing blends AI apps, dashboards, agents, automations, and it actually looks like the future. If you've ever wished your workspace could think with you, not just store your stuff, you're gonna want to see this. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something I've been ridiculously excited to try, Taskade. And this isn't just another productivity app. Taskade has this whole new system called Genesis, where you can build live AI apps, create AI agents, and automate your workflows, all inside one platform. And yes, we will see inside of the tool, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how it feels to use it. So let's jump in. Alright, so Taskade calls itself a second brain, always on. And honestly, that tagline is not exaggerating the vibe. When you first land on the homepage, everything feels super sci-fi. Dark UI, neon gradients, glowing dashboards. It feels like you're inside a futuristic command center, but behind the visuals, this is basically an all-in-one workspace that lets you build AI-powered apps, create custom AI agents, design beautiful dashboards, automate tasks, and keep all your ideas, projects, and tools in one ecosystem. It's like Notion, Zapier, and a full AI lab had a baby. If you're like me, you probably use one app for notes, another for tasks, another for automations, another for dashboards, and three more you forgot you were even paying for. Taskade's whole mission is to stop all that fragmentation. Instead of bouncing between 6 different platforms, Taskade lets you think, plan, build, automate, execute, all in the exact same place. And the craziest part? The AI agents and apps you build can actually interact with your projects. So your workspace isn't just a space, it's active. Okay, let's talk about Genesis, because this is where Taskade gets wild. In the screenshots, you can see the Genesis hub with all these super clean cards. Try Genesis, create your first app, publish and clone apps. Genesis App Gallery, Genesis FAQ. What this basically means is you can build real, working AI apps just by typing prompts. For example, you could create a habit tracker, a content planner, a note analyzer, a brainstorming tool, a daily dashboard, all generated live by the system. Then, this is the part I love, you can publish it or just clone other people's creations from the gallery. It makes building tools feel fun, not intimidating. Next, seeing that agent knowledge and memory section was awesome because it means your agents can actually improve over time, like a real teammate that learns your flow. And then boom, there's a whole automation system built in. This section has Automation Hub, Browse Automations, Smart Projects, Workflow Integration, Automation Gallery. This is where you can connect 15 plus external apps, trigger flows, and build custom routines. What I love is how visually unified everything is. Even the automations page keeps that futuristic neon design. It makes the whole experience feel fun instead of, workflow spreadsheet energy. Honestly, using Taskade kind of feels like you unlocked some premium commander mode in a game. Everything slides smoothly, the UI animations are super clean, and every section has this alive feeling, like the workspace isn't static, it responds to you. One thing I noticed immediately is how easy it is to switch between dashboards, apps, agents, automations. It all feels connected, like you're not jumping between separate tools. You're in one ecosystem where everything talks to each other. Even tiny details like the dark background with neon accents, they help you focus without overwhelming you. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you want a workspace that feels like it's thinking with you, definitely check out Taskade. It's one of the most creative, futuristic tools I've tested in a while. I'll drop the link below so you can explore it yourself. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me what feature you want me to test next, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into new tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.